All right, you guys, guess what? I finally got my Oculus Rift from Sony connected in accordance to my PS5, and I love it so far. I do want to let you guys know that I've had this for about a week, and I do want to get the Apple VR headset as well. But this is a really, really cool headset from Meta, and there's a lot of games you can play on this. It's a lot of cool features on virtual reality, and I don't ever spend too much time on it, but it's cool. It's something that I do, and I'm super bored. Hang on. So just so you know, the charging stand is not included now, but it is definitely a must buy, as it helps to keep these things charged rather quickly, rather than charging this independently and then putting batteries in the handles here. It does, as I've noticed, we've had this for several months now, it does make my kids rather sweaty and hot, and hair seems to just get on here a lot. So it's kind of annoying to have to clear that from the hair. I have 3 boys now, I have short hair. That's one thing. Also, when I play it, it makes me rather dizzy.